Hello, welcome to Quick Tip Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove green screen effect from any video using Filmora video editor. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons as we get into the video. Now, open your Filmora app on your PC, and open a new project. Right-click or double-tap here to fetch the videos you want to edit. For purposes of this tutorial, I am going to use a dinosaur green screen video as an example. Now, after fetching your video, drag your first video and start editing. I'll keep the project settings at the moment. Wait, have you guys seen wildebeests before? Let me know in the comment section below. For my case, I am cropping this video to fit the YouTube frame. Time to drag in the Mr. Dinosaur. I'm going to cut out a few sections here too, just to make sure it comes out properly. Let's remove the green background then. Right-click on the video containing the green background, and click on green screen. Boom, the color is gone. Let me try to make it look real right here. You actually can drag it up or down to fit exactly where you want to. As you can see, Mr. Dinosaur is right there at Serengeti, ready to munch the wildebeest. Watch the final output towards the end of the video. And please don't forget to like this video. Your like and subscription equals to my channel's growth. Also, comment below what kind of video you want to see on this channel. Stay put for more great videos lining up. Thank you for watching, and let's catch up in the next video.